And what's more popular, colors or black and white? And to use for your stuff, I think you got to go more color. Is that?
Well, I don't. I probably do equally the same amount. It just matters on what the client wants. I do a lot of black and gray. I do a lot of color. You know, it just matters. And then like, I don't know. I switch back and forth from both so much that I don't realize it.
Gotcha.
Like it just clicks back and forth. I think I've been doing it so long that it don't bother me.
And is there like you see the 2 Chainz most expensive is where you had that like exhaust ink type stuff.
Uh-huh.
As an artist and both somebody that has tattoos, is there a particular type of ink that you like better, or is?
Yeah, I like use a dynamic. Well, I use Eternal, Dynamic. I use Empire. Like I usually use Dynamic for line work.
Gotcha.
Most of my shade, you know, my black and gray tattoos is done by Empire. All my color tattoos is done by Eternal. So I got a shitload of color inks. But if I could go by my inks, I probably do black and gray more than color, honestly. Just because, like, I have, like, with my inks, I might have to buy a new bottle maybe once every 3 months. But with my black and gray, I just bought my set of Empire and I have to buy a new set already.
Gotcha.
So, yeah, I probably do black and gray more than color. I got a lot of color inks and they just be sitting for it.
Do they have a shelf life? Are they good forever?
No, all the inks got a shelf life.
They just kind of start to separate, or
Yeah. They start separating. They won't go into the skin. It's just like you'll be coloring, thinking the ink is good. You wipe it off. It won't even go in the skin.
That's crazy.